The future of making bank. 15 crazy ways to cash in by 2025. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're not giving away cars or doing crazy challenges. Instead, we're talking about your future, specifically how to make some serious cash by 2025. We're diving deep into the trends that are about to explode, the tech that's going to change the game, and the side hustles that could make you a millionaire. Get ready to have your minds blown because these money-making methods are next level. Let's get started. AI, your new best friend and moneymaker. First up, we're talking AI. Forget robots taking over the world. AI is about to take over your bank account. In a good way. Imagine this. You feed some ideas into an AI program and boom! It spits out a piece of digital art. So cool. People are throwing money at their screens. That's NFTs, baby. Or how about AI writing your blog posts, scripts, even tweets, all while you're chilling on a beach somewhere? This isn't sci-fi, guys. This is the future of making money, and it's closer than you think. Platforms like OpenSea and SuperRare are already exploding with AI-generated art selling for crazy amounts. So ditch the 9 to 5, embrace the robot revolution, and let's get you paid. Micro subscriptions, the little idea that could make you rich. Next up, we're diving into the world of micro subscriptions. Forget starting a whole company. We're talking about finding a niche, any niche, and becoming the king or queen of it. Got a passion for bonsai trees? Boom, start a monthly box delivering tiny trees and expert tips. The key here is to think small, think specific, and think value. The internet has made it easier than ever to connect with people who share your passion. The world. Chapter 4 VR and AR, it's not a game, it's a goldmine. Hold on to your VR headsets because this next one is going to blow your mind. Virtual reality and augmented reality aren't just for gamers anymore. They're about to revolutionize how we do business. Imagine this, you're a real estate agent, but instead of dragging clients from house to house, you're giving them immersive three-dimensional tours from the comfort of their couch. Or you're an interior designer using AR to show clients exactly how that new sofa will look in their living room. So, dust off those VR goggles, brush up on your tech skills, and get ready to ride the wave of the future all the way to the bank. Chapter 5. Personalized everything. The future of service is you. Get ready to say goodbye to one-size-fits-all because the future is all about personalization. And guess what? That means big bucks for anyone who can deliver a truly tailored experience. Imagine this. You create a service that uses AI to curate the ultimate shopping experience. Clients tell you what they like and your AI assistant finds them the perfect clothes, gadgets, you name it, all without them lifting a finger. Personalized meal plans, workout regimens, even travel itineraries are all ripe for the picking. So if you can tap into that desire and deliver a service that feels truly personal, you're sitting on a gold mine. Chapter 6. Health and wellness cashing in on feeling good. Let's face it, we're all obsessed with feeling our best, and that obsession is about to make some people very, very rich. Forget Fitbits. We're talking next-level wearable health devices that track everything from stress levels to sleep quality, giving users unprecedented insights into their well-being. And who's going to interpret all that data? You, my friend, as a health and wellness guru. Imagine building a platform that connects users with therapists, nutritionists, or even AI-powered self-help tools. So whether you're a tech whiz developing cutting-edge devices or a wellness enthusiast building a supportive community, the health and wellness industry is overflowing with opportunities to make a difference and a fortune. Who needs money when you have skills, right? Okay, maybe we still need money, but what if you could trade your talents for things you need? That's the idea behind skill-swapping platforms, and it's about to change the game. Imagine this, you're a graphic designer who needs a website built. Instead of shelling out thousands of dollars, you find a web developer on a skill-swapping platform and offer to design their logo in exchange. These platforms cut out the middleman and allow people to connect and exchange their skills directly. So dust off your resume, identify your superpowers, and get ready to join the skill-swapping revolution. The 9 to 5 is dead, baby. The future of work is remote, and that opens up a world of opportunities for savvy entrepreneurs. Think about it. Millions of people are working from home, craving connection, collaboration, and maybe a little fun. That's where you come in, creating virtual team-building experiences that are engaging, entertaining, and maybe even a little bit ridiculous. The rise of digital nomadism is creating a whole new market for services that cater to their unique needs. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is you can do it all from your own tropical paradise. Remember the Jetsons? Flying cars might still be a while off, but smart homes are here, and they're about to make some people very rich. As more and more people embrace smart technology, the demand for experts who can set it all up and make it work seamlessly is going to skyrocket. That's where you come in, my friend, as a smart home consultant extraordinaire. Imagine yourself as the tech whisperer, transforming ordinary houses into futuristic havens of convenience and efficiency. The future is smart, sustainable, and incredibly profitable. Chapter 10. AI Financial Advisor. Let the robots grow your money. Who needs Wall Street when you have AI on your side? The world of finance is about to get a serious upgrade, and it's all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Imagine this. You create an AI-driven platform that helps people manage their money like total bosses. Your AI financial advisor analyzes their income, expenses, and financial goals, then creates a personalized plan for saving, investing, and crushing their financial goals. The future of finance is smart, personalized, and incredibly lucrative. Chapter 11, Blockchain. Beyond Bitcoin, it's a money-making machine. Okay, blockchain. It's not just about Bitcoin anymore, folks. This revolutionary technology is about to change the way we do everything, and that includes making money. Imagine this. You create your own blockchain-based membership token for your business. Holders get exclusive perks, discounts, even voting rights, all while your business benefits from increased loyalty and engagement. Imagine starting a decentralized crowdfunding platform using cryptocurrency or blockchain technology. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for disruption and profit is massive. Chapter 12. Launches and parties, the possibilities are endless and the demand is only going to grow. Marketing is the name of the game, but who has time for all that social media posting, ad targeting, and email blasting? You guessed it, AI does. Imagine this. You create a business that helps brands automate their entire marketing strategy using the power of artificial intelligence. Your AI-powered platform analyzes data, identifies trends, and creates targeted campaigns that get results. Imagine designing and selling customizable AI-powered chatbots for small businesses. These chatbots can handle customer service inquiries, qualify leads, and even close deals, all while you sleep. The future of marketing is automated, personalized, and incredibly efficient, freeing you up to focus on what you do best, making it rain. Travel is back, baby, but this time it's all about sustainability and giving back. Ecotourism is exploding, and savvy entrepreneurs are cashing in while making a positive impact. Imagine this. You start a travel agency that specializes in eco-friendly vacations. You connect travelers with sustainable destinations, eco-conscious accommodations, and unforgettable experiences that minimize their footprint and maximize their impact. Imagine developing unique local experiences that showcase the beauty of your region while supporting local communities. The future of travel is responsible, authentic, and incredibly rewarding, both for you and the planet. Remember passive income? Well, digital products are the holy grail and the possibilities are endless. Imagine this. You write an ebook on a niche topic you're passionate about, sharing your expertise and helping others achieve their goals. Once it's written, it's yours to sell forever, generating passive income while you sleep, travel, or work on your next big idea. Think planners, templates, workbooks, online courses, anything that can be delivered digitally and provides value to your audience. With a little effort upfront, you can create a passive income stream that will continue to generate revenue for years to come. So there you have it, guys. 15 mind-blowing ways to make some serious cash by 2025. The future is here, and it's filled with opportunities for those who are willing to embrace change, think outside the box, and hustle hard. Whether you're passionate about AI, sustainability, or just finding creative ways to make money, there's a path for you. Remember, the key is to stay curious, stay adaptable, and never stop learning. The world is changing faster than ever, and those who can keep up will be the ones who thrive. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, chase your dreams, and make some bank. And hey, if you end up becoming a millionaire from one of these ideas, don't forget about the guy who gave you the idea. Thanks for watching. We hope these innovative ideas inspire you to explore new ways to make money in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content.